Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your primary email on the Bank of America app. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch the app and then log in to your account. And once you're logged in, I want you to come here at the top left, okay? And then click on this menu icon. You'll see these three horizontal lines. Once you click on it, you'll see a bunch of different options. I want you to come here to the profile section and then go ahead and click on settings and then come here and click on contact information. And then here under email addresses, you'll actually see the primary email. Okay. And there's also an option to add a new email address as well. All you need to do is just click on the primary email and change your email. In this way, that will be your new primary email address to your Bank of America account. So it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.